Hi, good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss about 10th class biology worksheet number 2, worksheet number 2, worksheet number 2, and the chapter already we know that nutrition. The main concept in this worksheet number 2 is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So already it is a food making process. Food making process. Photosynthesis is a food making process in the plants. So now what the student, or learner should get the knowledge. What is the main outcome? What is the main outcome? So now here the student or the pupil explains the term photosynthesis based on the chemical equation. Based on the chemical equation, and also the learner or the student or the pupil identifies the factors that are essential for the photosynthesis. Identifies the factors that are essential for the photosynthesis. Next, appreciates the role of green plants in providing food and oxygen for all living organisms in this universe. So the people will appreciate the green plants. Why? Because green plants can carry the photosynthesis and providing oxygen for survival and also providing the food material. So for to survival, so that students can or learner can or people can appreciate the green plants. And when you take main, the concept presentation. The main concept to presentation, plants are universal food providers. Already I said all the green plants are universal food providers and also supply the oxygen to the all living organisms, which is essential for their survival. Here you can see that plants are universal food providers. So not only food, but also oxygen, but also oxygen. This is most important. Food for the growth, oxygen for survival. Both are liberating by the releasing by the green plants only by the process photosynthesis. Now, how do plants prepare food materials? So let us see the below diagram and answer the question given below. So here we can see this, and we can give easily about how the plants prepare food and liberate oxygen. This picture most important, you can see this picture. So now when you see this picture, so from the sun there will be a light, there will be a light. From the atmosphere, carbon dioxide. So from atmosphere Plants are taking the sunlight and carbon dioxide. From the ground, they are taking water. From the ground, they are taking water. And here chlorophyll is there. Chlorophyll. Which one is there? Chlorophyll here. This is the here chlorophyll. So totally here you can see that plants are taking the light, carbon dioxide, water, and already plants in green leaves, one organelle that is chloroplast is present. So here four reactants are participating and releasing the oxygen and water. Oxygen and water by a process is called photosynthesis. So here let us give the answers for this question. What are the materials absorbed by the plant? Plants absorbing the light, carbon dioxide, water. Which gas is released from the plant? Oxygen is released from the plant. What is the color of the leaves? Green. What is the role of sunlight? So sunlight is the main source for energy. Why? Because green plants can capture the sunlight. Because of they absorb the sunlight, the photosynthesis process will be start. So to carry out photosynthesis, so itself name it as photo means light, synthesis means prepare. So plants prepare their own food only in the presence of sunlight. So sunlight should play a major role for the preparation of the food materials. So it is the most important one, sunlight, nothing from the sun. So the process that is carried out by the plant is photosynthesis. Photo means light. Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation. Synthesis means preparation or prepare. In this process, photosynthesis plants prepare or synthesize the food material from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates by absorbing carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight with the help of green pigment, nothing but chlorophyll, and releases oxygen. So now I will try my level best by giving definition about photosynthesis. You can also remember all green plants can take water from ground, carbon dioxide from atmosphere. In the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, green plants can prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Once again, I'm explaining orally the photosynthesis definition. So all green plants can take water from ground, carbon dioxide from atmosphere in the presence of light with the help of chlorophyll or chloroplast. They prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. So this is the easy definition you should remember. And so here, this is most important. So here, so this is most important chemical equation of photosynthesis. You must keep in your mind. So here, this definition is most important here. This chemical equation of photosynthesis. Now here, Now let us take here. This is the photosynthesis chemical equation. So plants, they are taking 6 moles or 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. They form carbohydrate, water, oxygen. So so how many reactants are participating? 1, 2, 3, 4 reactants. That is, number 1 is carbon dioxide, number 2 is water, number 3 is light, number 4 chlorophyll. These are the reactants are participating in the photosynthesis, and they form three products. Number 1 glucose, number 2 water, number 3 oxygen. So here C6H12O6, it is the carbohydrate. Glucose is the carbohydrate. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6, and also 6 molecules of water, and also 6 molecules of oxygen is liberated by the plants. So this is the photosynthesis chemical equation. So total 4 reactants are participating. 3 products are coming. Number 1 carbon dioxide, number 2 water, number 3 sunlight, number 4 chlorophyll. So these are the reactants. They are the reactants. So when you take the products, 3 products, that is glucose or carbohydrate, or number 2 water, number 3 oxygen. These are the products. So we can see this. This chemical equation you have to keep in your mind. Now, let us give the answers for this question. So, what are the reactants in the equation? 4 reactants. 4 reactants. Reactants, nothing but the chemical substances which participate in the reaction are called reactants. Number 1, water, carbon dioxide. Number 2, water. Number 3, sunlight. Number 4, chlorophyll. Now, what are the end products in the equation? So here you can see this end products means here. So actually we got from this equation 3 products are there. Number 1 glucose, water and oxygen. But glucose is the main product and water, oxygen is the byproducts. So when you take the products in the photosynthesis, glucose is the, let us discuss here and go through that. Here, let us go to here. The glucose is the main product, oxygen and water is the byproducts. Total 3 products we obtain. Now here, write the simple inorganic molecule in the above equation. Simple inorganic molecule is carbon dioxide. It is a simple inorganic molecule. Carbon dioxide is the simple inorganic molecule. Write the complex organic molecule. Glucose, that is C6H12, C6H12 and O6. Glucose is the complex Organic molecule. Here you can compare here. There will be inorganic is there. Inorganic means it does not have any carbon. Organic, which have carbon compounds. So organic, inorganic. Inorganic means carbon dioxide example. Organic means glucose is the example. So this is you have to keep in your mind. And let us go to the now here. Based on the equation, we can define the photosynthesis is the photochemical process by which plants containing the green pigment called chlorophyll and build up complex organic molecule that is glucose from relative simple inorganic molecules by using sunlight as an energy source. So here plants prepare it by a photochemical process by obtaining that is inorganic molecules like carbon dioxide and water, and they prepared the glucose and sugar or organic molecule. This is we can give the definition about photosynthesis. Here what happening in photosynthesis, simple inorganic molecules are converting into complex organic molecule. Simple inorganic molecules nothing but carbon dioxide and water, and these are converting into complex organic like glucose. So in this photosynthesis it's happening. What happening? Simple inorganic compounds converting into complex organic substances. Simple inorganic example water and carbon dioxide, and whereas complex organic molecule is the glucose. And we can conclude that the role of green plants synthesizing food and giving oxygen by the process of photosynthesis is appreciable. So different types of food materials that we eat are obtained from plants. So you know that plants are most useful for providing food. You know that fodder, pasula metha, fiber. You know that fiber we obtain from the plants. Firewood, కట్టెలపైలో ఉపయోగించే కట్టెలు, fodder, fiber, fruits, flowers, all these are obtaining from the plants. This is you have to keep in our mind. And let us go to the self-evaluation. So here identify the correct statement from the following. Now, A, animals are capable to synthesize the carbohydrates. So it is the wrong. Why? Because animals could not prepare the food materials. All the green plants perform photosynthesis and prepare the food material. This is the right answer. Next, to take another options also. Maybe light energy is converted into heat energy during photosynthesis. So it is the wrong. Light energy is converted into chemical energy. That is you have to keep in our mind. Carbon dioxide released during photosynthesis. No, this is wrong. Oxygen is released during photosynthesis. So the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Next, non-photosynthetic part in plant is So leaf can prepare, stem can prepare, bud can prepare, but root could not prepare. So because of root is the non-photosynthetic part. Root is the non-photosynthetic part. C is the correct answer. Why? Because it is the underground. It does not receive the light and also does not have a green colored pigment. Roots white in color. So because of absence of chlorophyll. So that roots is the, so leaf can prepare, stem can prepare, bud prepare, but root not prepared. Hence, root is the correct answer. Answer is C. Answer is C. Next here, why do you think photosynthesis is an important life process for all the living organisms? Describe briefly. Okay, let us try to describe the, now. So why do you think photosynthesis is an important? Why? Because uh, by the photosynthesis, what happened? Mainly food as well as food as well as oxygen. Food as well as oxygen. So from the by the photosynthesis, what happened? Food is preparing. So in the same way, oxygen is liberating to the into the universe and making survival of the organism. So all green plants, example, we can say that example, all green plants, all green plants, all green plants. So by the photosynthesis, this is only you can keep in your mind. Very simple answer. So by the photosynthesis, all green plants can prepare the food in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll by taking carbon dioxide and water from the ground, as well as they liberate oxygen. Very, very important. They liberate oxygen. This is also you have to keep in your mind. Next, here another question is there. So what would happen if there were no green plants on the earth? If no green plants, so no food, and comma, no oxygen. O X Y G N. No food, no oxygen, and organisms would not survive. Organisms will be die if the green plants are not there on the earth. No food, no oxygen. So next, write the chemical equation of the photosynthesis. So already we know that this C 6CO2, you know that 6CO2 12 H2O, capital letter, let us take capital letters H2O small. So we are unable to. So now light and above light here, you can take here light and here down chlorophyll, and here you take what we can say C6 H12 C6 H12 and O6 and O6 is the glucose formula, and what happened? 6 molecules of H2O, H2O, and what we can say the plus. So here also you can give the plus, and gives rise to what we can say here also plus C6 is 12O6 plus, and 6 CO2, 6O2, 6O2. So this is the chemical equation. This is the chemical equation you have to keep in your mind. Here light and chlorophyll should come. Next here, what are the elements required for photosynthesis? What are the products formed in? So what are the elements required means carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, comma, water, comma, water, comma, light, sunlight, GHT, light, and chlorophyll, CHO, chlorophyll. These are the reactants or elements required for photosynthesis. Now, what are the products? What are the products? So products are P products equal to glucose, comma, water, and oxygen, OX YGEN, oxygen. So these are the products. We can see this. So products. So these are the so here you can take. So these are the elements required by the for the photosynthesis. These are the products. P means products. So this is the worksheet 2, chapter 1, nutrition. So next worksheet 3, later I will explain. Until then, bye.